Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Albert, and on today's video we are going to be making a stretch mark removal cream. This video was actually requested by one of my subscribers, so let's get right into it. I'm going to be making use of shea butter, garlic and bio oil for this stretch mark removal cream. You also need to get an empty container to store your cream. First thing I like to do is to peel this garlic. After peeling the garlic, I'm going to transfer it into this mortar and crush into smaller pieces. This is to enable me get out all the juice from the garlic. Garlic contains allicin and sulfur that helps to increase the elasticity of the skin, and it prevents stretch mark from occurring. If you already have stretch mark, massaging your skin with garlic oil can be very helpful for removal of stretch mark. Now I went ahead to melt the shea butter, and I just poured in the amount of melted shea butter I need into this plate, and I'm adding in the garlic. The shea butter oil is still warm while I'm adding in this garlic, so I'm just going to go ahead now and mix properly. Shea butter can reduce redness of new stretch marks. It helps to strengthen damaged skin and provides added UV protection to the skin. The next thing I would like to add is bio oil. I'm just going to add a few drops of this. This bio oil is also very effective for the removal of stretch mark. So after adding that, I just want to give it a good mix, and then our stretch mark removal cream is ready. Yes, I called it a cream because when it's at room temperature it solidifies. So you can go ahead now to apply this stretch mark oil on the affected areas of your skin. You want to apply this on those stretch marks and massage thoroughly. Wait for about 20 to 30 minutes and then have your bath. You want to do this twice every day, and you will see results in the first 3 weeks. Do well to try out this stretch mark remedy, and you're going to love it. Thank you for watching. This is what it looks like at room temperature. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.